Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get to the frequently asked questions section on the Sixpack application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then go to the workouts section, scroll down to the options section and tap on Go Premium. Now scroll down till you find the frequently asked questions section, and here you can see a bunch of questions that you might be interested of. And if you are interested in any of these, all you have to do is tapping on that one question, and then you will see a brief answer to that question, so you can get to know to a certain topic by the help of this function. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.